Are you still tracking clients on Google Sheets, paper, or sticky notes? You don't need a fully fledged CRM, but a lightweight one would make life a whole lot easier. Using an AI app builder, we built a custom lightweight CRM with no code in less than a day. And I handed it over to a small business so that they could manage their client relationships outside of Google Sheets. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies get set up and automated using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. Now, I see this all too often, where businesses are managing their clients and customers through Google Sheets. Now, granted, you might have multiple worksheets that enable you to get deeper into your client details, but you're still jumping into emails, text messages, maybe even WhatsApp to manage the comms. And things slip through the cracks, and these sheets don't always get updated. We know it. And that is why building a front end makes such a big difference, because it's a central hub for you and your team to get your work done. You're not reinventing the wheel, you've just got a central place rather than jumping between tabs, apps, and your half updated spreadsheets. So for this video, I used a no code app builder to pull in the essentials: a clean client dashboard, connected email activity, task tracking, and a few startup automations to keep things moving. Now, you could take this further and include phone communication through a platform like OpenPhone, and you could even connect WhatsApp through their available API. Now, when it comes to bringing your data into Zite, we have a couple of options. We can actually import your spreadsheet data from Google Sheets through a connection directly with Google Sheets. You'll just want to connect it, and then you'll be prompted to select which spreadsheet to import. Of course, we're going to select our CRM spreadsheet, and we'll then continue, and that is going to create a native database in Zite with that data. Here we can see that we've got the fields correctly mapped over. So we would click import database, and that's going to create a database in Zite for us. Now, perhaps you still want to manage your data on the spreadsheet. Currently, if you have your data within a Google spreadsheet, you can sync that with your Zite built app. But if you are using Excel, well, you are going to have to wait for that release. Connecting your Zite built app to the rest of your tools or your Google Sheet database is easy. We'll see here in the building UI, we've got the prompt box on the left and the app itself on the right, as well as the database and the workflows tabs. Now, we'll want to connect to our Google Sheets. We'll select Google Sheet from popular apps, and you'll need to select or connect your Google account. And that's going to bring up the sheets that we can connect. Now, beyond the clients tab, we've also got the communications tab. Here we can see our past communication history, and we've actually connected this send email option where we pull in a client through a workflow that sends a webhook request and actually sends this email on our behalf. So rather than jumping out of your Google Sheet or your CRM to send an email, you can do it directly through this app. Now, what we are missing here is the ability to bring in the threads of that email. So you contact a client, they contact you back, so on and so forth. However, do remember that we only built this in just one day. We've also gone ahead and included a really simple task checklist. So let's say, for instance, that you need to follow up on an email. Well, you just simply include this in your task checklist. And each time that you've completed a task, well, you can check that off. Now, while this is an incredibly simple and basic setup, remember that we are just creating a lightweight custom CRM. If we are getting into the weeds of managing tasks, projects, clients, connecting and linking those, well, then it is definitely better to use a fully fledged CRM to handle your client interactions. And finally, beyond tasks, we have our admin settings. Now, with these, we have the ability to export our data so that we can take it into a fully fledged CRM once we've outgrown this lightweight solution, or we can just clear all of that data. Now, remember that we do actually have this data managed within our Google Sheets. This is more so helpful if you have your data living natively within Zite databases. The way that Zite enables us to build internal tools is incredibly exciting. If we want a project management tool or a CRM just built custom, lightweight, well, we can lean on a tool like Zite in order to build that for us. If you are a small team or an individual and you're sick of jumping across tabs or trying to find that last interaction with your client, well, you can build a tool just like this to better manage and handle your client interactions. If you need help building a custom app, CRM, portal, or tool, well, don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com, where a team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.